What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, creating a detailed illustration of Rush from Roblox Doors. Now for the entirety of today's video, we're going to be creating all our lines with a textured edge. Now let's start with the eye on the left. We'll start from the very top. Just want to wobble this line, going all the way around. Just slowly going all the way around like a backward C, and then go out. Now you want to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same thing flipped over on the right. So let's line up the outside. We'll wobble this line coming around. It's almost like drawing a circle without closing off the end. Now I want to tuck the outside edge of the eye in behind. So we're going to start up here. Now again, just wobbling that line, going all the way around, and just down towards the bottom. Let's go over towards the right and do the same thing. Going all the way around and then down. I'm also going to add that gap along the top of the right eye. So we're start from the inside. So we'll wobble this up, flatten off the top, and then come down on the right side. Now I'm going to line up at the bottom edge of the eyes and add a curve. Come around and up. Go back to the left side, bend this in towards the center. Let's go to the right side and do the same thing. Let's go back over towards the left side. We're going to bend this out and then go up. It's going to go across towards the right. Bring that straight down. And I want to bring this back up. Come down toward the left. And just round out the top on the right side. Let's add some spots along the inside. Starting from the bottom left. Go up to the top right, and a few smaller ones going around. Let's add a crack just underneath the nose, going across the top. Go back to the left side, work our way along the bottom, and then back up. And now I'm going to add that gap along the top of the left eye. Start with a curve, going across, go back to the left, go up, and then bring that back down. Now I'm going to move out and draw the top edge of the mouth. Let's start beside the left eye. Again, just wobbling this line, going across, go in towards the middle. I'm just going to add a gap, going up and around, bring that back down. Now I'm going to continue that shape, going across towards the right, add another gap, and continue up, and then bring that in on the right side. Now from the top left, just going to go all the way around and just bend that in. Let's go to the right and do the same thing. Coming around and then in. Now going back to the left side, we're just going to work our way along the top of the head. So again, just wobbling this line, coming around, just adding a few gaps and cracks along the way. Slowly working our way to the top of the head. Bringing that down towards the right side. I just want to bring this down towards that point. Just bringing that in. Now I want to spend a little bit more time along the top adding some cracks and holes. So we're going to start from the left side. Just adding some random sized cracks and holes. Just working our way in. Now we can go along the top of the head. Add a few larger ones. Now right here, I'm just going to add a crack going across. Add a larger one going across the top of the right side. And then just working our way around with these holes. One along the bottom. And now I want to switch to my brush pen and fill the inside of each of those cracks and holes. Just going to work our way across the middle. Now we want to go around these little crumbs that we've drawn before. Now we can always use a brush pen to add a little bit more detail to our cracks. Just add some fine details. Also adding some tinier spots going all the way around. And now we want to move down and draw the top row of teeth. Let's start right in the middle. Start by wobbling this line going up toward the left. I'm going to round out the gum line, come down, and then we'll close off the bottom. Let's do the same thing on the right. So we go up toward the top, just adding a random shape going all the way around, and then we're just going to work our way out towards the side. We're just going to vary the size of the teeth and the gaps in between. And the teeth are going to get smaller as we go out. And I just want to bring this up towards the side, towards the cheekbone. Just going to also merge a couple of the last teeth in together. And then go over and do the right side. Blend in these two teeth together. I'm just adding a few more spots going up towards the right. Now I'm going to finish off the bottom of our drawing with the drip effect. Let's start from the left side of the cheek. I'm going to wobble this line, coming all the way around. I just want to drip that down towards the bottom. Pull that up. Now just working our way across towards the right. Adding some various sized drips going across. And from here, we're just going to make our way back up towards the right side. Now let's add the bottom row of teeth. We're going to start right in the middle, start with the left side. Come down and up, close off the top, draw the same thing on the right. Now on the left side, I just want to curve this out and make our way up towards the side. So again, just varying the size of the teeth and also the gaps. Also going to merge some of these teeth together, but we want to make this curve go up towards the side. Just flatten out the teeth. Just blend that in. Now we just want to add a few teeth going up on the right. Adding a few little spots going up. On the bottom. Add some texture along the bottom left. I'm just going to go back and add some more crumbs and cracks along the inside. And I want to grab a thicker pen and fill the inside of the head. I'm going to go around the teeth and the little crumbs on the outside. Let's go back with a brush pen and add some more texture across the edge. Also adding some more texture inside side of the T. Just want to break up the bottom edge. And now we're just going to break up the outside edge of the head, these spots. And once we've added enough detail, we'll be sure to sun our artwork and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's a detailed drawing of Rush from Roblox Doors. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. And if you want to keep drawing with me, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.